Hey guys, it's me Delta1 here with AirSofttalk. And I have an eBay unboxing for you today. I don't know exactly quite what this is, but let's find out. I don't even think I'll need a box cutter. Come on. There we go. What the heck is this? Oh, sweetness, it's a camera I ordered. I paid like nothing for this camera. This is the Samsung 1920 by 1080p camera. I paid like, I think it was like 30 bucks, and that was it. $30 for a 1080p camera, and it doesn't look like absolute garbage, which is always nice. And it's kind of like, I guess it's like the version of the Flip or something. I guess it's to compete with them. Whatever. 3 optical zoom, full 1080p. It's not bad for 30 bucks. I'm happy I even got a little case. That's awesome. Does it have power? Turns on. Doesn't look that bad. I'm impressed. Wonder how long I can record. Anyways, just fooling around with the camera. 30 bucks, said why not. So, guys, thanks for watching my eBay unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos.